there, I'm Ron Hagan with Commercial Fleet, and we're at the Walcott, Iowa Truck Show at the world's biggest truck stop in July of 2010. And we're here at the PDI booth. I was just talking with Brady Jensen about the various products, and sure enough, a customer walks by and says, "What did he say?"
How are you? This is Mike Thompson, the previous customer of ours we built a motor for. He was just talking to me about it, the improvements we made, how his truck runs.
So you're really pleased.
Oh, right.
Tell us about it.
Well, the truck had almost 1 million miles on it, and never had anything done on the inside other than overhead. 5.5, 5.75, about the best I could get on fuel mileage. And I lost an injector, was out the thing for, did a number on the engine, had it towed to these guys, completely went through it, frame, turbo, manifold, did some ECM work on it, and I got 47,000 pounds on the wagon, I pulled flatbed, and I'm over Bailey, 53 miles an hour, at the grade, never done that before, never. I'd be lucky, 42, 43 miles an hour. What really blew me away was, see, I filled up in Vegas where I picked the load up. And I fueled up again, just as I got into Kansas, and I got 6.388 miles per gallon.
How many?
6.38 with a C15 cap.
What was your weight?
Well, about almost 48,000 on the trailer. So I was almost 8,000.
And you're climbing hills in Colorado?
Yeah, that's a good point.
I'm impressed.
6.38 miles per gallon. I thought, no way, something's wrong with my map. You know, maybe I better go back to school. Anyway, I went through it, checked it. That's what it did. And I thought, you know what? These guys are, I mean, too bad it didn't happen 500,000. Some of you know, fuels, you know how the price is ridiculous. But, you know, I got about 260,000 driven out. Back over and knock on wood, you know, my mileage, I mean, there's sometimes I get 7 and an 8, 7 and 3/8, you know, right now, all over the stand, you know, staff hours and torque, I can't say it.
So regardless of the fact that you had to buy an engine, and you could have bought it anywhere, the money that you spent at PDI and the savings that you're getting decreased your total cost of operation.
Oh, yeah. And, you know, I mean, they did, and well, you know, I had to balance what I wanted. You know, they are just absolutely brilliant. I don't know, you know, I haven't experienced them with, you know, the other one, a cat. It was unbelievable. I mean, it was when I bought the green for and you know, I almost got a twin turbo. A lot of guys said, no, we don't know much about it. You know, just the hair, I thought this is going to be my last truck, and now, you know, for sure. So I'm not going to do it.
Brady, we just happened to be at the Highway Truck Show, and a customer just happened to walk by. Have you ever heard these words before?
I have. Not quite like I have from Mike. He sounds like he's a pretty happy customer. Or glad.
He's certainly no actor to me. So, anyhow, I'm pleased that you're pleased. I happen to be a PDI dealer in St. Louis, so you didn't really have to tow it all the way to Iowa or Utah, but I'm not going to tell you that. So that'll be shortly. Any event, well, thanks for talking to us. And in about a month, you're going to be famous.